Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to walk you through the design example that was added to the course. The example follows the course through from the kickoff all the way through to the completed blueprint. The example course that we'll be looking at is FAS 226 Digital Photography. So if you come here, scroll down, the first thing you'll see is the kickoff meeting agenda. I tweaked my template at the top, but the information is the same. What you really want to do here is add the dates that each deliverable is due. I get back to all the SMEs in less than 3 days, so instead of putting a due date for feedback, I just say that after a deliverable is submitted, I'll provide feedback within 3 days. This project, we had to create our own final project document, so that was the first deliverable for this course. Most of you won't have to create a final project document, so you'll go straight into the course plan first draft and course plan second draft or final draft. This should take about 2 weeks. The next deliverable I have listed here is the course plan. If you don't have to create a final project document from scratch, this will be your first deliverable to your internal ID. This plan is a bit robust, but it gives you a great example of learning objectives, how to write discussion board prompts, and the overall flow of the course. Remember, your LOs or MOs, they mean the same thing, learning objectives, module objectives, should be achieved by a task in the module and map back to a course outcome. So if we scroll down here, you'll see the MOs or LOs, again, they're the same, and they should be assessed by some sort of task in that module, and they should also map back to a course outcome. The rest of the documents on this page are ones that will be submitted to your internal ID, who will forward them to production. The blueprint is a collection of all the modules in one document. So we'll open that up. You'll see from this example that we often leave notes to production to let them know how we would like certain things to be built. So if we go through here, you'll see, for example, I noted to production that I would like there to be a folder for optional resources, or when there was a quiz, I attached the quiz instead of putting it in the module. It's on a separate document so they would know to look for it. Or in this course, we have students working in groups. So I made a note to production to divide the students into groups of 4 to 5, and that it would take place in a discussion board forum. All the other folders on this page contain all the rubrics and other associated documents for the course. We do rubrics a bit differently here at SNHU, so make sure you go through the example. We try to avoid subjective language so the students and instructors know exactly what's being assessed in each assignment. I would suggest going through the rubrics folder and looking at the different kinds of rubrics and the language used in the rubric, as well as the prompt. The course documents folder, or other course documents, contains things like the syllabus, facilitation guide, and any other documents referenced in the blueprint. Please go through the example carefully, and if you have any questions, ask your facilitator. Have a great day. Bye.